Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we'll be looking at the Panasonic CR2032 3V lithium coin battery, a powerhouse in a small package that you can rely on for all your critical devices. When it comes to reliability and long-lasting power, the Panasonic CR2032 stands out. It's a 3V lithium battery that's incredibly compact and lightweight, which makes it perfect for all sorts of devices, from watches and key fobs to calculators and fitness trackers. The CR2032 is one of the most popular coin cell batteries out there, and for a good reason. One of the standout features of this Panasonic CR2032 is its impressively long shelf life. Thanks to its very low self-discharge rate, you can trust that these batteries will keep their charge for a long time, even when they're not in use. Whether you're storing them in a drawer for when you need them or using them daily, you can count on this battery to perform consistently. With a high voltage of 3 volts and a compact design, the Panasonic CR2032 has an extremely high energy density per unit of weight. This means you get more power in a smaller size, making it a great choice for small devices that require a steady, reliable power source. It's also got impressive load pulse characteristics, meaning it can handle high power demands without failing, even in more energy-intensive devices. Not only does this battery have great power delivery, but it's also built to last. Panasonic has designed this battery with longevity in mind, which is why it's favored for items like medical devices, toys, and remote controls. It's versatile, durable, and won't let you down when you need it most. So, whether you're replacing batteries in your watch, a car key fob, or your favorite small electronic devices, the Panasonic CR2032 3V lithium coin battery is a smart, economical choice. With a pack of 2 included, you're set for a while, offering great value for money. That's it for today's review of the Panasonic CR2032 3V battery. Be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest, no-nonsense product reviews. And leave us a comment below letting us know what you think about this battery or what you'd like to see us review next. Thanks for watching.